You want a rescue?
Yes!
Palm Bay, Florida police pulled over a pregnant woman after discovering she was driving without vehicle insurance. But the routine traffic stop quickly escalated when she refused to comply and rolled up her window. Officers then broke the driver's side window and the woman drove away, leading police to follow her to her home, where she was eventually taken into custody.
Ex-girlfriend, whatever. She said she's a registered owner as well in the vehicle, but it's only showing him. So I don't know if she's valid. I'm just double checking, but there's no insurance.
I'm calling him right now to get the insurance
Okay.
information.
All right. She says she's calling somebody for the insurance right now. Okay.
Officer is indicating a smell of marijuana coming from the car.
Try to stick my head in there, see if it was coming from there, or if it's like a car that drove by.
I thought it was from here. It
smelled like it was from here, though.
Yeah.
Like I stuck my head in it. It smells like it's like burnt.
She's
I see the ashes on like the Black and Mild wrappers on the center console area.
So yeah, I'm just going to see. She's not registered to this vehicle. She said she is, but it's registered to him. So there's no insurance showing on the vehicle. So nobody can drive a vehicle in the state of Florida. You have to have insurance in the vehicle.
Okay, but I can get insurance if we don't know that in the maps. That doesn't mean that our car gets impounded and everything.
If there's no proof of insurance and there's no insurance on file, you have to show proof of insurance. So as of right now, it's showing that you're not the registered owner of the vehicle. It's showing him, correct? So
I can pull up where I'm the co-owner.
Or hear me out. He's been suspended for financial responsibilities, probably because of an insurance issue for not having insurance, okay? We have no insurance on file. There's no proof of it. So it's leaning towards this. Right now, the insurance doesn't exist on the vehicle, which is a problem regarding to anybody driving the vehicle. Because right now, there's nobody showing. You're not able to show. He's not able to show. So that's an issue because you're in the state of Florida.
I can't get a hold of him. I don't know. He might have switched insurance. That's what I explained to you. That's why.
Okay. He's saying that they switched insurance. That they switched insurance. She doesn't know for a fact. She's blaming everything on him.
Well, if she can't show proof of insurance, it's showing not on file at face value. It's an uninsured vehicle. And if she's cited as such, if she does have proof of insurance, then she could bring it to the clerk within, 10 days?
Yeah. And
she could have it dismissed for a $10 filing fee.
Where do you all right, so hang tight for 1 second. He's gonna look and see if I didn't see you as a second person for the vehicle, but he's gonna double check. Do you live with him or no? The person that's registered, the guy?
No, that's my kid's father.
Kid's father, so you don't live. So, but he lets you use the vehicle.
Right, and for our kids.
Okay, gotcha.
We have 5 kids, so.
All right, let's go ahead and step back here and stand by the car until he's finished.
For what?
Because I'm telling you to get out of the car. Get out of the car.
You're going to be placed under arrest if you don't exit the car. For resisting, step out of the vehicle. It's being towed. Step out of the vehicle. He's coming. You need to step out of the vehicle. The supervisor is coming. You need to get out of the car. You are under arrest. Step out of the car. Do not call 911 or you'll be arrested for that too. Okay, you have one last opportunity.
274.
Can you advise him she's calling 911? Open the door.
Hey, fella, come over here. We're gonna bust it and drag her out.
Get out of the car, you're under arrest.
What you saying?
She's on 911.
Ma'am, this is your last opportunity to open the door. Nope, stop. 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 Now.
Get down!
Get down. You're under arrest. Stop.
Get off of me!
Stop.
What doing?
You're under arrest for
for fleeing and eluding.
You got me. You are so.
And reckless driving, resisting arrest.
You are full of it.
Good job. You just turned a citation to a felony.
No.
Good job.
Guess what? You just lost your badge. You just lost
Good
your
job.
badge. You just lost your badge.
Guess what?
You just lost your badge.
Guess what?
I don't want that. Get his hands off of me.
Come on.
Get his hands off of me. Get his
Wanna sit
hands
over here?
off of me. Get his hands off of me. Now. Get his hands off of me. He just made me go into labor. Get your hands off me. Get your
Hey,
hands
wait,
off
hey,
me.
hey.
Get your hands off of me. No, you didn't know what they just did. I need an ambulance. I need an ambulance.
Sit down. Sit down for a minute.
I cannot
We'll
sit
call an
down.
ambulance.
I'm in pain.
We'll call
I
an
cannot
ambulance.
sit
We'll call an
down.
ambulance. We'll call an
I can
ambulance.
no.
We'll call an ambulance.
No. No. Stop. I just told you I'm pregnant.
Sit down.
I cannot sit down. I just told you that. I just told you that.
You want a rescue?
Yes. Get your hands off
What are you
me.
doing? You got butt. That's why you running him.
No, they're lying.
Why are you running him?
She's requesting a rescue.
What the?
They are lying. He just assaulted me in my own house.
You said you're pregnant?
Yes.
How many weeks or how many months?
Are you kidding me?
How many weeks or
Get
months?
the away from me.
You don't
Get
wanna
the
answer me?
supervisor.
They're on the way.
They want you to go to jail.
He just
They
tried to
want
kill
you
me.
to go to fucking
He
jail.
just tried to kill me.
You can be on route this way if you're asking.
I'm in pain.
You can't go to jail right now.
Are you the son?
Yes, I'm her
Okay,
son.
okay, breathe.
What the f are you
Breathe.
doing?
I'm in labor. Don't you see that?
Sit down.
No, I cannot.
What are you
I
doing?
cannot. No. I don't want you around me or on me.
Hey, but
Okay.
she's
How many
pregnant.
weeks?
Stop,
Do you know
stop.
how many weeks? Do you know how many weeks?
She's pregnant. She's pregnant.
All right. Do you know how many weeks or months? So I can let the rescue know.
Huh?
Do you know how many weeks or months she's pregnant?
She's a lot. Stop. What are you? Hey, bro.
Recording?
How many weeks or months
Are you
pregnant,
recording?
sir?
Are you recording? Shut the f up.
She's pregnant. Chill, bro. Just put her down.
How
She's
many
pregnant.
weeks? How many weeks or months pregnant?
Record.
Bro, what the f? You can't go to jail right now, bro. I swear to God.
Get your hands off me.
What the f?
If you don't get your
Bro, what are you doing?
If you don't
Oh my God. What the f?
Do
You
you guys know
running?
how many weeks or months pregnant she is? Okay. She's just saying she's pregnant and she won't tell us how. Okay. Hey, baby.
She's pregnant.
You want to?
Oh
It's okay, baby.
What are you doing? Let go of her. Let go of her. She's pregnant. What the f?
Hey, guys. Hey,
Look
hey.
at him slamming right to the door.
What the f?
I cannot. I'm in pain.
Put your feet
I'm in
inside.
pain.
Put your feet inside.
Look what you're doing.
Put your feet
Stop.
inside.
I'm in pain. What are you doing?
Put your damn
What? I just told you I'm in pain. I'm in labor. Don't you see that?
Sit down.
No, I cannot. I
Sit
cannot.
down.
No, I don't want you around me or
Sit
on
down.
me.
It doesn't matter what
No,
you want. Sit
these
down.
cuffs are too tight. I told you I'm in pregnant.
She needs to sit
No,
down.
I cannot. I'm in pain.
Sit
I
down.
just told you that.
Sit down.
Are you recording?
Sit down.
Are you recording?
Sit down in the
Are you
car.
recording?
If you care
I
about your
just
baby, you're going
told
to get
you.
in the car.
I just told you
You're
I'm
making
in
this
pain.
very hard.
These
That's
cuffs
fine.
are hurting.
We will get an ambulance for you.
No,
You sit in the
I
car.
can't sit down. I'm in pain.
Sit down.
I can't. I just
Sit
told you
down.
I'm in pain.
Sit down.
Where's the
Sit down.
supervisor?
Fella, get her. You got her?
What the f? Get the f off me, bro.
You guys need to back up. Back up over there to the car.
I need a medic.
Sit down in the car.
I need a medic.
Fella, keep her inside.
All right.
What are you doing? I need a medic.
Hell. Dude,
Bro, I don't want to
What
talk
are
to you.
you
I don't wanna
doing?
talk to you. She's pregnant. What the f are you doing?
she's under arrest.
All right. I don't want to talk to you, bro.
You cannot interfere
Okay,
with
I don't want
cops.
to talk to you. I
You
didn't
have to
interfere with
stay
nothing. You
25
told me to
feet
get my
away.
driveway out of my driveway. Okay, but
So
stop
you
talking
just
to me,
committed
bro.
a crime, dude.
Okay, bro.
Stupid. $119 ticket into a felony.
Where is the medic?
Retarded.
Where is the medics?
Stay
Where
over
is
there.
the medics? I cannot breathe.
Get
There's
back.
no
Go to the car. Go stand by the car.
There's no AC.
Copy, clear and channel.
I cannot breathe.
1066, 33 traffic, 1416 hours.
Where is the medic?
Yes, sir. Bring the window down there, sir.
Where's the medics? This officer just tried to kill me and you guys have me in the back of his car. I do not feel safe. I do not feel safe.
Well, you're perfectly fine.
No, I'm not, because I can't breathe. I'm pregnant. He just slammed me on the door, busted out my window, all kind of stuff.
The woman was arrested and charged with resisting arrest and fleeing at high speed or with disregard for safety after investigators said she drove away from the traffic stop and later ran inside her home. The newly released body camera video has sparked renewed scrutiny over the officer's use of force, especially after concerns were raised during a city council meeting and attention was drawn to his previous history involving force complaints at other departments. Palm Bay Police said an internal review determined the officer acted within department policy and stated that allegations he choked the woman were false. Want to watch more videos like this one? Click the one on the screen now.